guys, so let's open it up. Welcome back to the channel, guys, and today we are going to be unboxing my first ever MJX RC car, and this is the first ever drift car, I believe. It's the 14301, and it is super exciting, guys. It's a 2S and 3S drift car that's got a lot of resemblance to the Armand Fraction 3S, and you saw in the thumbnail how much, even the color. Let's get into it. Guys, let's open it up. Oh, nice packaging. I love this stuff, hey? This is really awesome. Right. More stuff. Oh, guys. There's a controller. There's the drift wheels. I see a charger. I see some tools. There's the off-road wheels as well, guys. Right, we'll open it up nicely now. We've got a instruction manual, guys. So this is the 14301, as you can see there at the top. Right, guys, very interesting. So this is the brand new stuff from MJX and the Hypergo series. Oh, guys. Awesome, guys. Right, let's take it out of the wrapping quick. What? How epic is that, guys? Look at that colors. This thing is bloody heavy, guys. So it's a 1/14 scale drift truck, guys. Look at the lights. Can't wait to see how those perform. Do you guys see there's a little see-through roof as well with lights inside? I can clearly see the LED lights in there, guys. Got some nice roof protectors here, guys. Oh, this thing is absolutely beautiful. Four-wheel drive auto, they reckon. And it's got a metal chassis, guys. Look at that. Oh, that's awesome. Look at that rear diffuser there, guys. Looks epic. Absolutely stunning, guys. Absolutely stunning. It's bloody heavy. I'm gonna go get the scale quickly. Right, guys, I've got the scale ready there. As you can see, it's on 0. Almost 1.3 kilograms, guys. So this is quite a heavy little vehicle. I believe my 3S battery should be in there as well. So let's quickly check. Alright, guys, so I've cleaned up this little messy area a little bit, and now I want to see what exactly is inside of the box. So obviously we've got our vehicle, we've got a user manual, we've got a controller, and we've got a set of goodies. So let's quickly check what is inside the set of goodies. Guys, in the little accessory bag we got some tires, which is really on a very, very hard surface rubber. It is extremely hard, guys. I can barely bend it, as you can see, guys. It really takes some force to actually make a dent in the rubber. Then we've got hard plastic drift wheels. Looking forward to this, guys. You've got 4 of them. Then you've got a little Phillips screwdriver. You've got the little wheel wrench. Then interesting, you've got a 2S Lipo charger and a 3S Lipo charger, guys. I went for the option for the 2S and a 3S batteries. And then you've got a small little fan that came with it as well. Now this is the 2S battery that came with the vehicle, guys. It's a 2S 2000 milliamp hour 15C battery, and it is got a T-plug connection. Right, guys, so that tells us the ESC is also going to be a T-plug connection. Right, let's look at the controller. Right, so there is the controller. Really nice. I'm not too sure if this is the standard MJX controller, but I'm guessing we're gonna need it's a screwdriver. I'll quickly open it up. Okay, and then just to put the screw in. Alright guys, so the batteries is in. Good tension on the wheel guys. Throttle is a little bit light feeling, but there's a third channel button here. I'm not too sure what that is for. And you've got a speed setting here as well. So you've got 70% and then 100%. That's awesome guys. So there's off, 70 and 100% speed setting. You've got throttle trim and steering trim. Basic controller guys, really nice. I like the look of this controller, to be honest. Really nice. Right, let's go to the manual. So English manual guys, really nice. Basic ones guys you typically get from AliExpress. So it's E45B brushless ESC. All the basics. Okay, just tells you how to drive it. You shouldn't be driving this if you don't know how to drive it. Alright guys, just shows you how the battery charger works and all of that kind of jazz. Right, see the post. So there's the 14302. That's the rally car version guys. I've got the drift car version, the 14301. And that's it. Very simple stuff. Right, now let's get to the car. Alright guys, let's open it up. Love these pins guys. These really take off easily with this little flappy thing on the side. Really nice. Hey, stop it. Seems a little bit jealous me taking this one's clothes off. Alright guys, let's reveal it. Are you ready for this? Oh, it's a nice tight body guys. There you go, that side. Alright, okay, let's see. Okay guys, so the first thing that you'll notice that there is a cable that is running towards the lights. So it's got a lighting system, as it seemed obvious from the initial shots guys. So there you can see the light kit that goes to all of the lights, rear lights, roof lights and front lights. Alright, so I just need to figure it out. Okay, so it's that little plug there. So there's the plug guys. So I'm just gonna pull it out quickly. Alright, now we've got that disconnected guys. Interesting to see that they've got a nice plastic cover over the vehicle. So I wonder if that's going to influence the heat dissipation from the vehicle. That's quite an interesting concept. Alright guys, but it looks excellent. It really looks well built. Cool over oil filled shocks guys, front and rear. Look at that. You've got a nice center brace. There's your T-plug guys, and there is the fan. Now I'm wondering, as you can see guys, the fans are two different sizes. I'll open it up so you guys can see it nicely, but the fans are not the same size. So let's just take this off. Alright guys, so there you can see it a little bit clearer. So this fan is not the same size. I wonder what this fan is for. I'll have to check in the book guys. So these tires that is on here guys feels really nice and grippy. Really nice guys. So there you can see guys, the build quality really looks exceptional. There's the 3S Lipo battery that came included with the vehicle. Oh, look at that guys. 2500 milliamp hour 3S one with a T-plug connector. There you can see guys. I think this thing is going to absolutely rip with this battery guys. And I think with that capacity and this weight, I think it's just going to go on forever. Eh? So you've got a little bit of honeycomb on the center of the chassis at the bottom, but as we know guys, it's got a steel plate, so all of these plastic parts are just mounted onto the steel plate. I must say it would have been awesome if it had recessed wheels with the actual hex or the lock nut being recessed into the rim. It stands out quite a lot, which I don't really like the look of that. But guys, look at the build quality of this thing. Everything is pristine. Pristine. You've got CVD shafts guys, metal. Look at that. A-arms. You've got top A-arms and bottom A-arms. Right guys, I don't know if you guys can see there, but there's a very small servo saver in there. Alright, with the servo there, and it does look like it's a free mounted servo, guys, so there it is as well. Very interesting. And this is, according to the book, the dust proof cover. Really nice, guys. Let's feel the suspension. Ooh, it's a little bit slow coming up. I wonder if there's any oil in those shocks, guys. Might be worth it to just check it out. There's no bounce on the shocks, as you can see. It does stay where it needs to stay, which is a good thing. But yeah, guys, you can clearly see everything is well built in here. There's the drive shaft, the metal drive shaft. It looks like a little hex. You guys see that? Like a long hex drive. Alright, I can't wait to get this thing out and ripping, guys. Alright guys, stay tuned for the next video, and where we are going to do the speed runs for 2S and 3S batteries, and also we're going to see whether this thing can really actually drift. If you did end up liking this video, please give it a like, guys, and also if you have not done so yet, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching, guys. I'm John there from TechSpace, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.